The Myers family was forced to spend Christmas mourning the death of 48-year-old Gilbert Myers. Myers, as he does on a regular basis, was riding his bicycle from Belize City to Hattieville, where he lives. Unfortunately, on Christmas Eve, he was knocked down near mile 4 on the George Price Highway. Myers died on the spot. One of his daughters, Merle Myers, says the bad news was unexpected.
Well, he made a call home for him brother at Belize City.
And is this normally a trip that he takes?
Yeah, he ride every morning and every evening.
Around that time?
Sometime earlier than that.
Okay. All right. So tell us about when you learned that he had been knocked down.
Well, Paul, 8 o'clock I'm at the back of my auntie. I get a phone. Well, I'm in the back of my auntie about 8 o'clock and I get a phone call. Tell me I come home, I got emergency. And when I reach here, my mom, everybody don't know our young boy called tell my mother at home. It's my papa on the road knocked down. All of that women know.
It was hours after the family got to know that the driver of the red Nissan pickup truck was the editor for the Guardian newspaper, Alfonso Noble. Noble was charged for manslaughter by negligence, causing death by careless conduct, drove motor vehicle without due care and attention, and failure to provide specimen to police. In the courtroom, Noble did not give a reason why he did not want to provide a specimen to police officers.
But I can tell you, me personally, I have an aversion to needles. So, and it is only when I go to a doctor for medical reasons. And in those instances, I go a good 15-20 minutes before they could get one needle in me. There are people who refuse to give blood specimen for religious reasons. Mr. Noble chose not to provide sample for religious reasons.
What religion is he, sir?
Man, which religion you know? Well, we don't have to get into semantics here.
No, it's not semantics.
Although it was indicated that he didn't give any reason as to why he was providing it.
That is what...
Listen to me.
That is what was said in court, sir.
No. What was said in court? No, the charge doesn't say, the charge simply says failure to give.
Without a reasonable explanation.
No, without a reason, no. Bottom line is that all that will come out in the disclosure. Until we have disclosure in hand, we are totally unaware of the evidence that the police has.
What religion are you saying he is?
I believe he's Jehovah's Witness.
I don't know where Mr. Panton normally gets his things from, but that is his defense. The law does provide that the police may request blood or urine specimen, and that was done. So even if, as Mr. Panton is saying, for religious reasons he did not want to extract blood, religion does not stop you from peeing, right? And that's the alternative that we have other than extracting blood, and both processes were refused by Mr. Noble in relation to the investigation.
The request was specifically for blood. There was no request made for. According to the facts that I read, the request was specifically for blood.
However, the law does make provision that where you refuse to provide a specimen, then you're presumed to be drunk. So the burdens now shift on him to prove to the court.
Did he appear inebriated or to be under the influence?
I was on the scene. I'm not a doctor. I cannot say whether or not he was drunk or as the case may be, but I can say that he spoke well. But being actually drunk and being legally drunk is two different things.
And for Myers' family, this Christmas was painfully different. They lost someone they loved deeply, a father, a son, and for Andrea Myers, a husband and a breadwinner.
At all?
Nobody try contact me at all. Nobody no come see me, nobody call me. So I want nobody will do the burial because I can't bury him by myself. I don't have the cash for do it. Right? He that only breadwinner woman enough for we house to take care of me and my kids there. Well, a lot of vehicle passes, so I know whereby Alfonso have to be the one for hit and down. And I want justice because I think it's right for we get justice because he left we without one husband, one father, and one breadwinner. So we need justice and we need him to comfort and assist me and my kids there. That's what I want to do for me. And why assist me with my husband's funeral because I can't do it.
No, he has been charged. Do you feel that police and investigators would treat the case justly so he can't be convicted?
I hope so, but due to the politician, I nearly believe they might make it work with. I wouldn't want that happen, but I believe that may happen.
I don't want that happen because if justice due where concerned, I want try to find justice by my own because like I said, I'm my breadwinner. And without he, we don't have nothing.
Noble was released on a bail of $5,000. He refused to give a comment. Fonso, you have any words to the family, anything at all, sir?
No comment,
To the family of Mr. Myers?
No comment, no comment.
I mean, they spend their Christmas without a family member, sir. Any comment before you get in your car, Mr. Fonso? The case was adjourned until February 28, 2017. Reporting for Love News, Hipólito Novello.